Welcome friends, my name is Ijaz Kazi. I'm back with one more video which is talking about the styles of leadership. This video is going to talk about some elements of this. It's a small video. I request you to watch this, spread this to the people and subscribe to my channel. Let us start this with quote here. A dreamer is one who can only find his way by moonlight, and his punishment is that he sees the dawn before the rest of the world. This is the very profound proverb by Oscar Wilde. When we talk about leadership, we talk about dare to care leadership styles, and this is what I want to discuss about. Dare to care, right? So when we have leadership styles, we have dare styles and there is care styles. So when we look at this slide very carefully. We have got on the one side, on the left hand side is a dare style, which is decisive, which is going to have focused action to achieve worthy goals. So we have goals and there's actions, and he will be very decisive, asking everybody to take that action so that you will be able to reach that worthy goal. So we have a clear-cut path over here. The person is standing here and he has to take actions to reach that goal. Next is accountable, committed to deliver and face obstacles. So it has to be one who takes action has to be accountable. One who has responsibility has to have also accountability of getting the work done, whatever may be the condition, how you take care of this condition, how you fight with this condition to achieve your goal. That is the accountable part when you talk about dare style of leadership. Result driven, he is always positive with a lot of wisdom to translate into a tangible results. Finally, results matter. So that's why this is, you can see, this is always result driven. There will not be any hodgepodge over here. It's always consistent and the focus is there and the actions are there, the intentions are there to convert your actions into a tangible results, and that's the whole objective. Enthusiastic, passionate about what he loves to do, what he loves to work upon, and that's the passion. And with that passion, you will be able to create a lot of performance. As I said, performance is driven by passion and not by pressure. That's what I always tell about, and that's the passion aspect is shown over here. Optimistic, ready to take on new challenges, passionate about it. When you talk about the care side, let us look at what is there. On the care side, it is always a communicate, to connect, to collaborate and drive change together. So when you talk about decisive, on the care side, we communicate. Leader is supposed to communicate. Leader is supposed to communicate and get people collaborate, so get to a road where people can work together and go and achieve that goal. It has to be driving the change together. It is always communicating, getting, collaborating and driving the change. That's all about care side. Appreciate. Whenever small achievements happen, you go and appreciate. It is important that appreciating spontaneously at that point of time when the result happened, or you celebrate there and there, acknowledge, and when you acknowledge in front of many people. So the person who is responsible for getting that milestone feels recognized in front of so many people. So that's the appreciate part when you talk about care type of leadership style. Responsive, always available, understanding challenges and then prioritizing the action. So that's another element of style rather, which comes responsive, available, ready to adapt to the challenges, take control on the challenges, prioritize the actions based on the challenges, empathize, and that's very important part of care. It is understand how you can feel when you are into that situation. I can feel how you feel is the empathize part of it. It is giving empathy to the person who is going through some of the challenges or crisis in a way that I can understand what he is going through. So if I start understanding what the other person is going through, then my actions towards him or will be different, which will be a lot of empathy. So these are some of the elements of dare to care leadership styles, and it is important to combine both, like these two hands over here, right, in the center. These have to be used occasion to occasion, situation to situation, and one style may not be able to give you all the time success. It is the combination of both dare to care leadership styles. The balance between both these two will be able to make you a great leader, a successful leader, a leader with results. and leader with people. So both has to go hand in hand, dare and care. And that is what I wanted to communicate to you in this video. Please read my books available on Amazon. The first one is The Person of Your Dream, a step-by-step guide to achieve your dreams. And second one, which is recently launched, Focus is Money, Play 100%. Thank you very much for patiently listening. I'll come back to you with more and more videos